Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's class is a gentle bedtime practice to help you get a good night's sleep. We'll begin sitting cross-legged on our mats. When you get there, shake out anything that needs to be shaked out and come to land, closing down your eyes and coming to your breath. We're going to begin with 3 deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Letting the day go, we come to rest gently on our mat. Let's take right ear to right shoulder, feeling a nice stretch along the left side of your neck. Being mindful that both shoulder blades stay back and down. Take a nice deep breath in. Use your exhale to move your left ear to left shoulder. Nice deep breath. As you exhale, come through center. Let's bring our chin to our chest. Again, noticing what's happening in the shoulders here. See if you can allow your shoulder blades to relax down your back body. Feeling a great stretch here on the back of the neck. Take a nice deep breath in. On your exhale, carve a line with your nose, looking all the way up, open through the throat. And then bringing your head down parallel with the ground. Swimming your awareness down into your belly, inviting you to relax any tension you find, any gripping, any holding. Noticing down through the thighs and the knees. Down through the shins, calves, ankles, and feet. On your next inhale, imagine the breath filling your entire body full of beautiful, healing air. As you exhale, you feel even more relaxed. We're going to take our palms together, clasp your fingers, and push your palms away from your body. Dropping your head once again, a nice stretch through the shoulders and the arms, especially if you've spent a lot of today at a desk and on a computer. The last deep breath here. As you exhale, flip your palms towards your body. We're going to lift our arms up above our head. Really reach your knuckles up, stretch tall, stretch long, ground down through your sits bones. Take a nice deep breath in here. As you exhale, up and over to the right, a gentle side bend. Pull your thumbs back. Deep breath in. And we're going to go up and over to the other side. Nice deep breath in. And exhale up through center. Release your hands. Swim your fingertips behind your back. Clasp your hands here and inhale, open through the heart. Maybe you want to bring your head up, opening through the throat. Last deep breath in. And exhale, relax, release your arms. If you need to maybe do some wrist circles here, shake anything out. We're gonna make our way into tabletop. Now this can be an extremely grounding practice, bringing your wrists underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hip points. And before you start to move or do anything, land here, feeling each fingerprint on the mat, feeling the tops of your feet and your knees. And then I invite you to bring your awareness to the crown of your head and the tip of your tailbone. And as you focus here, see if you can bring just a little more room between each vertebrae, as you can almost feel your body begin to lengthen, feeling fully supported here and fully grounded. On your next inhale, we'll begin our cat-cow flow, dropping your belly, bringing your chest forward. As you exhale, round, tuck your tail, drop your head. Come through neutral spine. Let's tuck our toes, lift the hips. We're gonna come into downward facing dog. Heels can be lifted, knees can be slightly bent. You wanna really lift your hips nice and high here. Drop your head, looking at your toes. Deep breath in. And exhale through the mouth. Let's hold for 2 more breaths. We're going to drop into a child's pose. So bring your knees wide, touch to the edge of the mat. Big toes come together. We push our hips back to our heels. Walk our fingertips forward, resting our heads down. Let's take 4 deep breaths here. Bringing your hands underneath your shoulders, pressing down, slowly rolling up. Shift your feet to one side, bring them out in front. Fingertips are going to be pointing towards you, soles of your feet on the ground. We're just going to let our knees fall side to side. All right, let's send them out long. Inhale, bring your hands up, coming into a seated forward fold. Hinge from the hips, chest comes down, knees can be slightly bent, hands come to rest on your feet, your shins, or beside you. As you inhale, lengthen. Exhale, relax down. Take a nice deep breath in. As you exhale, we're going to come up, rolling all the way onto our backs. Take a nice big full body stretch, hands above your head, and then coming down to rest in Shavasana. Coming back to your room, back to your body, back to your breath. Wiggling fingers, wiggling toes, rocking your head side to side. I invite you to roll over onto whichever side feels comfortable for you. Bringing your arm to rest underneath your head. Take one more deep breath here. As you exhale, slowly make your way to a seated position and slowly make your way off to bed. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. I do hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like this video and please share with a friend who also would love a good night's sleep. Take sweet care. Bye for now.